Hey guys, it's Marina, and I'm here to review the Penoval AX Pro2 stylus, the eiP hinged keyboard case, and the eiP reusable magnetic screen protector. This entire review is based on my 12.9-inch 3rd generation iPad Pro. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, let's check out the Penoval AX Pro2 stylus. It has real magnetic charging, and one of its great features is that it prevents overcharging your iPad. The charging process automatically halts when the battery reaches full capacity, ensuring a safe and worry-free charging experience. Easily connect it via Bluetooth. A single tap will turn it on, a double tap will turn it off. A single tap will take you back home, and a double tap switches between apps. I love how you can navigate between apps and functions, making multitasking that much simpler. It also allows you to write within a 0.1mm precision and features palm rejection and tilt sensing. It has a 3-level light indicator, making it easy for you to check the battery status. Alternatively, you can connect it to your iPad and add a widget to monitor the real-time battery percentage. Penoval AX Pro tips are durable and pass the 18 miles tip durability test. Its internal structure is always intact, even after 4,500 microdrops. Let's do a side-by-side comparison of the Penoval AX Pro2 stylus and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Using my kitchen scale, the Apple Pencil weighs in at 0.5 ounces, while the Penoval AX Pro2 stylus weighs in at 0.4 ounces. When holding them side by side, you can definitely feel an ever slight difference, but there was a time when I did grab the Penoval thinking for sure it was an Apple Pencil. And here's a side-by-side comparison of the Penoval stylus and the Apple Pencil when writing in the Note Shelf 3 app. They are literally identical. And here's the big test. As you know, my channel is focused on drawing tutorials using an iPad, the Apple Pencil, and the Procreate app. So I'm going to test out the Penoval stylus by drawing this eucalyptus plant with a watercolor brush. When using the Penoval stylus, I must say it's pretty darn close to the Apple Pencil. The only difference, of course, is that there is no pressure sensitivity, one of Apple Pencil's hallmark features. However, I was thoroughly impressed with the result. So in conclusion, the Penoval stylus is an excellent alternative for both note-taking and drawing for those on a budget, and is a fraction of the cost of the Apple Pencil. Next up is the eiP hinged keyboard case, which essentially makes your iPad into a laptop. It comes with a Type-C charger and a user manual. Easily pair it with your Bluetooth to get started. Just like the Apple Magic Keyboard, the eiP hinged keyboard case attaches using a strong magnetic strip and weighs in at 33.7 ounces. It's lightweight, has unrestricted angles, and adjustable from 90 to 130 degrees. A cool feature is the 3 levels of brightness and the 7 different colors of backlight, which you can easily toggle by using the function key. It takes just 3 hours to charge and comes with a 6-hour battery life when using the backlight, and a whopping 500-hour battery life when using without a backlight. It also has an auto sleep mode, which helps conserve battery power. Boost your productivity and workflow with the Precision trackpad. It features the same shortcuts just like a Mac, from Command-C for copy and Command-V to paste. The keyboard is also super responsive, the trackpad has no lag, and when depressing the keys, there's a good weighty feel to it, like a MacBook. Overall, the sleek design is very minimalistic, and the feel is a soft, pleather material that you can easily wipe clean with a cloth. It's easy to carry around, slip into your work bag, or just simply chill on the couch. For a fraction of the price of the Apple Magic Keyboard, this is an excellent alternative. Okay, so I've had my iPad Pro since the end of 2018, and I still don't have a screen protector. Mainly because I didn't want to commit to something that might alter the feel of drawing on glass. Some might call this blasphemous for letting this $1,200 small piece of tech go naked, but I was willing to sacrifice some scratches and nicks for a better drawing experience. Thankfully, 6 years later, my iPad has survived with no dings. Enter in the eiP reusable magnetic screen protector. Did I say reusable? It's literally like writing on paper with a smooth and matte texture. And it also helps extend the life of your pen stylus nib by 50%. It's anti-blue light and anti-glare, reducing eye strain and fatigue. And guess what? Even if you have a glass screen protector on top of your iPad, this can also be applied on top of that, giving you both protection and a high-quality writing and drawing experience. And again, did I mention reusable? Want to go back to using the original iPad screen? Just take it off. It comes with a small magnetic wipe cloth that helps you lift it up. My husband hates writing on my iPad when signing documents, mainly because he feels the glass is too slippery. Enter in the reusable paper screen protector for the win. And there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review for some of the latest iPad tech gadgets. Links are below if you would like to grab them for yourself. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.